Hello everyone. Today I am very excited to share about my buddy book. The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, written by L. Frank Baum, is a magical and adventurous story that follows a young girl named Dorothy. She lives in Kansas with her aunt and uncle, but one day a powerful cyclone lifts her home into air and drops it in the land of Munchkins, a strange and colorful place far from home. To return to Kansas, Dorothy is told to seek help from the Great Wizard of Oz, who lives in Emerald City. She begins her journey along the Yellow Brick Road. Along the way, she meets three unique companions: the Scarecrow, who wants a brain; the Tin Man, who desires a heart; the Cowardly Lion, who longs for courage. Together, they form a strong bond and face many adventures, always holding on to the hope that the wizard will fulfill their wishes. Before meeting the wizard, they must defeat the wicked witch of the west. With courage and teamwork, they succeed. When they finally meet the wizard, he grants all their wishes, but Dorothy misses her chance to go home in Wizard's hot air balloon. Instead, she turns to Glinda, the good witch of the south. She helps Dorothy to return home to Kansas safely, bringing the journey to the joyful end. This story deeply inspired me. I was especially moved by Dorothy's kindness and courage. Even in a strange land, she never gave up. She stayed true to her goal of returning home. The friendship between Dorothy, the Scarecrow, the Tin Man, and the Lion taught me the importance of supporting each other, believing in ourselves, and staying united during tough times. The story reminded me that we all face challenges, but what matters is how we respond to them. Like Dorothy and her friends, we should face problems bravely, never lose hope, and always think wisely. Even when things seem impossible, there is always a way forward if we trust ourselves and stay strong. In the end, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz is not just a fantasy story, it is a reminder that the strength we seek outside often lies within us.